Having lived through periods in California in the 90s when wildfires were attributed to El Nino events far away, I got sensitized to the butterfly effect. The idea that small perturbations in one area can lead to major consequences in another, even on opposite sides of the biosphere. I'm sensitive to any exacerbation of the phenomenon's reach, especially during these years when wildfires happen with greater and greater frequency. So when we look at the current politics surrounding climate change and the claims made by the former president and vice president that the fires were actually due to mismanagement and a lack of rakes, can we all forget for a moment that they are occurring on federal lands under that administration's jurisdiction for the past 4 years? And that hurricanes, the claim that hurricanes aren't increasing in frequency, we see how a misunderstanding of the science of southern oscillations and a misunderstanding of science in general has been exploited to pass the buck when it comes to ensuring our health and safety. To be clear, no serious scientist says that anthropogenic climate change alone is causing anything. No true scientist says that climate change isn't natural. But we agree that humans are part of nature. So that's a moot point. And when we say hurricanes are getting worse, it doesn't matter if the raw number of hurricanes is staying constant over the century or changing, because it's the intensity and size and characteristics and damage potential of hurricanes that is at issue. There could even be fewer hurricanes in the future. We would still have to do something about the role that anthropogenic greenhouse gases play in their exacerbation if they are more life-threatening and do more damage than a lot of weaker ones in the past. The previous anti-science administration, beholden to fossil fuel lobby interests, was hell-bent on deflection and sowing confusion. And ultimately, they were using science against itself. Whenever they said that scientists are still uncertain or scientists still don't know, this means something completely different to when a layperson expresses doubt.